Eusocial Hymenopterans, which are ants, wasps, and bees, are incredibly complex, with highly organized societies and vast physiological differences. There are 4 requirements for an organism to be eusocial. You have to live in groups, raise offspring cooperatively, have separate reproductive and non-reproductive castes, and the generations have to overlap. But how did eusociality evolve? In 1859, when Charles Darwin published his book on the theory of evolution, he was confused why sterile workers evolved among eusocial insects, excluding termites. How did they evolve to have sterile workers who can't pass on their genes to future generations? This is a problem of altruism. Why would the workers sacrifice their ability to reproduce for the benefit of others? Darwin explained this by stating that sterile offspring occur naturally in the wild. Therefore, if a queen were to have them, it may have been beneficial to the colony and this trait may have been passed on, and the species would develop a tendency to give birth to sterile workers. However, Darwin did not know the sex determination system of Hymenopterans. We humans are diploid, which means that we inherit one full set of chromosomes from each parent. However, social insects are haplodiploid, which means that males get one set of chromosomes from the mother queen, which means that males have no father, and the females get one set from each parent. This means that the degree of relation between the queen and the worker is around 50%. The degree of relationship with the drone is also around 50%. But the relationship between a worker and her brother is approximately 25%, unlike humans where it is 50%. However, the genetic relationship between 2 sisters is about 75%. This fact is critical to understanding how eusocial insects evolved. Because sisters are more related to each other than their daughters, it is more advantageous for a worker to help her sister than raise offspring, and indirectly passing more of her genes on to the next generation. In short terms, the super-sister relatedness promotes altruism within the workers. This theory is known as the haplodiploidy hypothesis, or kin selection. It was proposed by William Hamilton in 1964. For the last century, it has been the leading theory explaining eusociality in Hymenopterans.